Hey, I have here something that I've had for a while now, and I'm excited to share it with you. It is from Eve Studios Dolls, and their website is, you can find it, all their links and stuff on their Instagram. But I got a black Lily Kitten, and I'm excited to share it with you. So let's get her open. Or him. I haven't decided what to call it. But I'm excited. Because I love the Lily Kittens, and I would not mind in having more. They're so cute and really quite affordable for most people if you just want the little basic. But yeah, I have a white one and a chocolate point, and I really quite like them. They're a great size for Barbie, and so oh my goodness, there it is. Oh my goodness, so cute. Oh, that's so cute. That is something I don't remember if they had when I got mine the first time, because I got the ones you pre-ordered. This is so cute. I love it. Thank you. Thank you. This is awesome. It's so cute. This is definitely going to stay with my Lily Kittens, all of them. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. I love that. That is nice. Alright, let's see if I can get this little foam piece out. Alright. Alright, so here's the little body, and they have little magnetic, interchangeable heads, and then they got just the basic articulation at the tail and at the legs, and got the little sleepy kitty head and the awake one. Oh, so cute. I love them. They're so pretty and cute, and I love it. Ugh. And here now I've got, here, let's make you guys sit. And this white one, actually, I call Ernie after a cat I had as a kid. Alright, so as you can see, they're great size for Barbie. I really like them as just a regular size cat. They're so cute. I love them. Chocolate point, the white, and the black. And highly recommend you go buy one from Eve's Studio Dolls. They're great. Great to work with too, like great sellers, and I can't recommend them enough. They're such nice people. But yeah, so go check them out. You can find them under my friends on Instagram. I follow them, and follow me on Instagram too. Like and subscribe. Thank you for your time. Check out my Patreon, $5 a month. I'm working on new content as we speak. Like, I had some stuff happen a little while ago here that took like a month away from me doing any new content, so I'm quite behind. I am working on more, but yeah, so definitely check it out. I do have some content on there. Still looking for more patrons. Once I get some more patrons, I am looking at doing posts for projects that I am going to be doing, where you get to help decide, and like fun stuff like that, and you get to see like behind the scenes of like me making things like my mermaid tails, which I still have some available for Mermaid. Go check them out. Thanks for your time. Bye.